Hello and welcome to the Magic Camera 3D Simulator tutorial. In this video you are going to check about the gallery, the image gallery. You took the pictures and now you want to see your picture, right? So it's simple, just touch here on the gallery. We have these images. You move here and you load more images, okay? Let's see this side of the window, the right side. You can check the settings that you took the picture, so you can learn from this. So here you know the speed, you know the aperture, your ISO, the sensor that you use, the lens that you use, and here's the magic lens. It's an impossible lens, but on the simulator you have it. Amazing, superb zoom from, let's say, 17 millimeters to 400 millimeters or 600 millimeters, and on top of this you can use any aperture that you want from 1.0 to let's say 42. You can choose your lens, and this is the lens that I used. Focal length was 101 millimeters, the camera 6D Mark II, and manual mode at 7:24 in the morning, and my focus was at 4.4 meters distant from the camera. This picture with the same lens, but now with 19 millimeters, my focus at 2.2 meters, my speed, you see, you understand already, right? So here, this picture, I had these different settings, but I'm using the same lens. I didn't change my lens so far. Oh my god, I took all these pictures with the same magic lens. Nice. Okay, I'll come back to this. Oh my god, Daniel, how did you do this? Yes, come here, choose the picture that you want, and simply touch on the image, and then you can reload on this day. But in this case we have a different setting for the lights, so let's and let's say that I want to take the picture with this 105 millimeters. I can't use that aperture anymore because it's aperture 4, so I should compensate with my shutter speed. And this is my picture. I take this picture, I come back to my gallery, and I had that picture with these settings, and now I have this picture a little bit different with these settings. And now you can see that the lens is 24-105 f4. You now understand how the gallery works, right? You can compare your pictures, your composition, you can understand the settings that you used. You can use this as a tool for your learning, and also you can, of course, take the print screen and share with the people this picture. At least for now, I'm planning to add these settings, this feature, for you to be able to share your picture on the social networks, etc. But for now, we don't have this feature. If you want some different things, some different features, some different notifications, some different options inside the gallery, let me know here on the comments, right? This is our amazing 3D simulator for your mobile phone or for your iPad or your new MacBook M1 or Mac Mini, MacBook Pro, and the new M1 or M whatever will come for the future, because there you can load the apps. So it's amazing, you can view on the big screen also. So we covered the gallery system today. You can tap here, you go back to the picture, you already understand all the controls here. We already showed almost everything. On the next video I will show to you how this manual and aperture control and etc. work here on the simulator. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye.